How to fix suspended Instagram account. Hey guys, in the video I am going to show you how to fix a suspended Instagram account. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. Now, if you open Instagram and you see a message saying that your account has been suspended, don't panic. That could be because of things like mass following or unfollowing, liking or commenting too fast, using third-party apps, or sometimes even by mistake. The very first thing you should do is look for the option that says Disagree with Decision. You'll usually see this directly on the suspension screen. Tap on that, and Instagram will take you to an appeal form. This is where you explain that the suspension was a mistake, or that you didn't knowingly violate any rules. Make sure you fill this out properly and honestly. If Instagram still lets you access parts of the app, tap on your profile at the bottom right. Then tap the 3 lines at the top right and scroll all the way down to Account Status. This section shows you if there are any violations, removed content, or restrictions on your account. If you see something listed here, tap on it. Follow the steps to appeal that specific issue. When you're filling out any appeal, it's important to provide as much correct information as possible. Make sure your email and phone number are active, explain that you're a real person, not a bot, and mention if you believe your account may have been hacked or flagged by mistake. Now, if you can't appeal from inside the app, the next option is to use Instagram's Help Center. Open a browser and go to help.instagram.com. From here, look for options related to disabled or suspended accounts. Instagram will guide you through different scenarios, like if your account was disabled, hacked, or restricted by error. You can also use the search option on the Help Center and type things like account disabled or account hacked. Follow the prompts, enter your username, email address, or phone number, and submit the form. Keep in mind, Instagram usually reviews these appeals within a few days, but sometimes it can take longer, so patience is key. One important thing to remember is to act quickly. If too much time passes, Instagram may not be able to restore the account, especially if it's been permanently disabled. That's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, hit the subscribe button down below. I'll see you in the next one.